everybody. It's Carla. And I have this ugly skull. The one that, oh, it's so nasty. It is literally so gross. I don't even know what to say about it. But I'm going to try to make geode. I'm going to make a geode on the top of its head and see what happens. So I got my handy dandy E6000. And I have never done this before. I just thought, you know what? Let's kind of make it a crown that looks like a geode. Maybe it will be less nauseating to look at. Hey, okay, now I am going to speed this up because one little thing at a time. You got to have a lot of patience to sit and watch me do that. Yeah, and I got a little carried away with stories. Well, you already see what I'm doing here, and I'm going to be doing a lot of the same for a while, so it's only a 5 or 6 minute video with the closing things. So, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the continuing saga with my rat morph. What is the making of that noise? Speaking of, did I catch one? Did I catch a mouse? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me tell you this story, even though I think I caught one. I've decided that I can't live with the mice anymore. I tried, or whatever they are. They're half mice, half rats. I did catch one. Oh, good. Anyway, now I'm getting all nervous. Oh, I feel so bad. But I'm not going to hurt it. I'm going to take it and let it go in my neighbor's yard. I didn't say that very loud because my window's open. Anyway. Oh my goodness. Well, the whole story. Most of you know it if you've watched me before. The thing is that I can't kill them. They're funny. They're cute. They're not as small as mice. They're not as big as rats. They're this beautiful, light, pale brown, like a baby doe deer. Yeah, so I thought if I fed them and I made friends with them, maybe they would stop getting on my counters and they would stop causing me problems. And they would be my friends. And of course, lasted for a couple of days, I think. And then I've just decided I've had enough. Got humane traps so they cannot get hurt when I catch them. Oh yeah, she's looking right at me. Oh Jesus, I don't want to see her. She doesn't want to see me. She's probably the only one that I like, and she's looking at me right now like, you bitch. I feel like I've betrayed them, but I tried. I just can't live like this anymore, and wow, I'm gonna have to go and take a little walk because I can't deal with the poor little thing wanting out. She's got air, she's got everything. Okay, well, I'm glad that first one is over. Now I probably have about 7-8 more to catch. Anyway, she's safe, she's fine. She was a young one. And all I'm doing here is putting on some gold multi-surface paint and some gold glitter. And I'm going to really glitter up those eyes. And I put some glass stone. It's like glass, but it's painted. And I've got some gold on there. And I've got a little bit of pink on there. And then I've got the rocks on the head. Anyway, I like this so much more now. Now I look at it and I'm like, yes. Before, every time I looked at it, all I could think of was the aftermath of a really wedding gone wrong. Big party, oof. A big party with bad oysters. Well, anyway. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, pardon me. Wow. I hope that you guys kind of enjoyed this. I made it short. Wasn't sure I was going to post it, and I thought, well, just do it because that skull was literally disgusting, and now it's fascinating. So anyway, I'm glad you stopped by to see what's going on here, and I'll keep y'all informed with the rats. And so, take care of yourselves. Be nice to each other. Do something really special for yourself. Just treat yourself wonderful for at least 30 minutes a day. And have a really, really, really great day. So, thumbs up, and I love you guys. I'll see you real, real soon.